Cooking something fresh and homemade in your own kitchen is always great. Well, here at A Side Guy Cooks, we have a great recipe for you with peach bread pudding. So let's get started. Let's prepare the bread. Time for the peaches. Let's make the custard. Time to build the dish. Set your timer for 45 minutes. And as always, ovens do vary. In England during the 11th century, bread pudding was known as poor man's pudding and later evolved into bread and butter pudding when eggs, milk, and fat were added to create a richer custard base. Made from stale bread, today bread pudding is a versatile dish enjoyed both sweet and savory. Let's make the Peach Schnapps Sauce. That looks great right out of the oven. Let's get a portion on a plate. finished with that amazing Peach Schnapps Sauce. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, that's really good. The combination of French bread, amazing custard, and ripe peaches creates a burst of natural sweetness in every bite. I'm gonna have a little bit more. This peach bread pudding is a showstopper and sure to impress your guests. Leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that is one impressive dessert. Stay with us. Watch the next videos.